Good morning, everyone. I'm Chaitanya. I'm father of Ritvik. 3 years ago, all of us, we joined our kids here. We were just thinking, we came to know about this new school, GMCPH. We saw it was mentored by NPS. We followed our intuition and we sort of like got him enrolled here. I still vividly remember the first day we sent him to school, the first day we sent him in this bus, the emotions we underwent. And in the first PTM, we were like kind of inquisitive type. We keep asking a lot of questions. I think the teachers and the leadership were very patient in answering all these things appropriately in a very patient manner. Time flies, and if you could see all these Montessori activities, those show and tells, field trips before this pre-COVID era, and my son's first performance on stage, their group dances on the same stage where he was doing this fisherman dance, annual day, sports day, all those are like wonderful, memorable experience. I think GMCPH has been fantastic in sort of like, ensuring a couple of things. One is like they try to ensure the foundations are very right, but also they were contemporary. They were never trying to just ensure only the foundation part. The second piece is like they were also taking good care of each child, I feel, but they were ensuring the right sense of balance so that the kids don't get pampered also, so and they don't become indisciplined. And one remarkable thing which I personally feel I noticed in GMCPH, which sets the standard for them, is like their passion for quality in whatever they do. They try to do it with quality, and they try to chase excellence in that. I think this function is itself as an example for that in these COVID days, how they are doing it. And they try to do these three things in three different ways is what I noticed. One is their teachers, very passionate, committed, wonderful teachers. I think my son is really blessed to have teachers like this. Their second pillar is they chose an ambitious curriculum. I felt they could have taken it easy on the Montessori. No one is really checking what the kids are learning and what they aren't. But they chose an ambitious curriculum, and they tried to ensure now each kid singing these songs, writing essays for pages is a testimony of that yeah, they really want to do it properly. And the third thing, last but not the least, is their detail-oriented leadership. Sheila ma'am and Jyoti ma'am, I think wonderful, the sort of details they have in the actual day-to-day things, and they ensure that this quality and excellence continues. Standing here 3 years down the line, as of now, I'm getting this thought, most of you might have already heard it. There is this Sanskrit Subhashitam, Shishyat Putrat Jayate Parajayam, which means like one actually enjoys the defeat which he or she gets at the hand of its student or his kid. So I'm just thinking like how Guru Dhiren really mentored a wonderful Arjuna. I'm thinking NPS sort of mentored a wonderful GMCPH, and I'm sure they will be proud to have this sort of school mentored by them. Thanks again.